Would you like to learn how to make a Valentine snack? Here's what you would need. You need peanut butter, nut butter, sunflower butter. You need a graham cracker. You might want some little tiny marshmallows, but not necessary. If you have any chocolate chips, our favorite at the North Pole, and even some raisins, but sprinkles would do also. It's one of our favorite snacks because it's so easy to do. Even the baby elves can learn how to do it. So here's what we do. First, we take the peanut butter and put it all over that cracker. Then you take your favorite toppings. And you could have a little snack chocolate chip. Here's the raisin. Here's the marshmallow. Oh, easy and fun, just for you for Valentine's Day. Greetings from the North Pole.